In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create and sell an NFT for free on Opensea using the Polygon network. So let's not waste any more time and get started. First, what you have to do is to head over to opensea.io. This is the main interface of Opensea. You can explore it if you want. Now, you have to connect your crypto wallet to Opensea. To do so, click on this icon on the top right corner of the page and choose the wallet that you are using from this list. If you don't already have a wallet, you can create one easily with MetaMask. If you want to know how to create a MetaMask wallet, I will add a link in the description to one of my videos in which I show you how to do it. Now, you have successfully connected your crypto wallet to Opensea. The next step is to create your NFT. To do so, click on this Create icon right here. Now, you will be taken to this page right here, where you have to add the file that you want to convert to an NFT and fill up all the details about your NFT. Now, click over here and upload the image that you want to convert into an NFT. Make sure that the file does not exceed the max size of 100 MB. If you haven't designed an NFT yet, don't worry, I have created a video on how to create an NFT using Canva very easily, so make sure to check it out. The link to the video is in the description box. Now, give a name to your NFT. It can be anything you like, for example, CryptoPunks or Bored Apes. After giving a name to your NFT, you can add an external link to the official website of the NFT collection or any other page that you want. It is optional, you can do it if you want. I am just skipping it. Now, enter a brief description of your NFT project in this box and head over to the next box. You can add this NFT to an NFT collection if you want. But I haven't created one yet, so I am skipping it. If you want to create a new collection and add this NFT project to it, I will show you how to do it later in this video. So stick around till the end of this video. Now, you can add different properties to your NFT. These are the textual traits that show up as rectangles under the description of your NFT project. These properties determine the rarity of your NFT. The value of the NFT increases if it is rare. So just add a few properties to your NFT by clicking on this button and adding as much as you want. Now you can add levels, which are the numerical traits that show as a progress bar, and stats, which are the numerical traits that just show as numbers to your NFT project, by clicking on the plus icon to the right of them and entering the properties. Now, we have the option to include any unlockable content in our project. Unlockable content can only be revealed by the owner of this NFT. You can include this option if you want to stand out from other NFT projects. You can add anything under this tab. For example, you can add a link to download some kind of a file, or you can add your email address so that the buyer can email you, and you can send the physical copy of the NFT to their address. Now, we have explicit and sensitive content. You can turn this on if your content is explicit or sensitive. Moving on, now you can see the supply of your NFT. It is already set to 1. Leave it like that. Now, we have the option to select a blockchain to mint our NFT. This is the most important part of this video. If you want to mint your NFT for free without any gas fees, then you should select the Polygon blockchain from the options. You can also go with Ethereum, but the problem is its high gas fees. Now, below this you can see an option to freeze your metadata. You can choose to freeze the metadata after minting your NFT. If you freeze your metadata, you won't be able to change the details of this NFT later. It will be locked and stored in a decentralized file storage. Once you'd have added all the required details about your NFT, you can now click on this Create button right here. Now, Opensea will mint your NFT onto the Polygon blockchain for free. Now, you can see that your NFT has been created and can share it with anyone you want. This is how you can mint any NFT to the Polygon blockchain using Opensea. If you close this tab, you can see what your project will look like when someone checks it out. You can edit it if you want by clicking on this button, and you can also sell it by clicking on this icon. Now, I will show you how to create an NFT collection and add the NFT that we have just created to it. To do so, hover your mouse pointer around this icon. Now, click on My Collections from this list. You will be taken to this page. Now, click on this icon that says Create a Collection, and then upload a logo for your NFT collection. Then you can add a featured image and a banner image for your collection if you want. I am adding only a background to my collection. Now, give a name to your collection, then you can customize the URL to your NFT collection from here. I am going to add the name of my collection at the end of this URL. Now, you can add a description for your collection. It will make it look more professional. If you want, you can add your collection to a category. I am going to add my collection to the collectibles category. Now, you can add links to your website and social media accounts. I recommend you do that as it makes your collection look more professional. Now, we have the creator earnings, which is a fee collected when someone resells your NFT. This will be paid monthly to a payout address of our choosing. You can enter how much you want to get as a fee every month over here. Now, you can paste the address of the wallet that you want to get paid in every month. Now, you can choose the blockchain to which you would like new items to be added by default. You can also choose the currency that can be used to buy and sell the items in this collection. You can change the display theme if you want. I'm going to leave it on default. Now, check this box if your collection contains any explicit content. Now click on Create, and like that, you have created a new NFT collection. Now, to add the NFT that we created earlier to this collection, go to your profile by clicking over here. Now, open the NFT that you want to add to the collection. Click on the Edit icon on the top right corner, scroll down to the Collection section right here, and choose the collection that you just created from this list. Now, scroll down and click on Submit Changes. Like that, you can add any NFT to a collection that you created. Now, I will show you how to list the NFT that we have just created for sale without paying any gas fees. To do so, click on the Sell icon on the top right corner of the page. Now, you can enter the price for which you want to list your NFT for sale. Now, you can select the duration of the listing. Then, click on the Complete Listing button right here. Now, you will have to sign this message using your MetaMask wallet, and after doing that, your NFT will be listed for sale. You can see all the details about the listing by scrolling through this page. You can also cancel the listing if you want by clicking on this icon. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you want more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon. Bye.